You've seen the flashing lights on the side of the road. It is a sign that law enforcement, fire and rescue, and wreckers are on the scene of an emergency. What do you do when you drive by?
A sheriff's deputy and a police officer will tell you how dangerous one mistake can be. Traffic reporter Jamie Langley has more now on this WIAT 42 News exclusive Move Over.
Every time a police officer's door opens on the side of the road, a life hangs in the balance. Tonight in a WIAT 42 News exclusive, we investigate how drivers simply going about their busy day could be to blame.
EMS is en route, correct? Affirmative, they have been dispatched.
I don't feel like I'll ever be the same person I was before.
Dr. McKenzie says he's a miracle.
Thankfully, I don't have any true lifelong disabilities.
It's just lots of questions and no answers, so I'll have to deal with it.
It happens every day. Distracted drivers who fail to move over. One split decision that can change the course of life for everyone involved.
1052.
Former Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's Deputy Cliff Hembry was struck 11 years ago. And Birmingham police officer Brandon Smith was hit in May.
The first fire truck blocked off the first 2 lanes of the highway, and I pulled around that fire truck and parked my car in the first lane. And I began doing what our normal process is in working an accident. That's the last thing I remember doing, and after that I was, laying on the ground.
Both were struck by a driver who did not move over. 4 years in a coma, months in rehab, and severe injuries later. Hembry's 10-year career in law enforcement ended in 2003.
Even my ICU nurse in my coma, she said, Cliff, you just don't know how close you came to death throughout your coma, too.
In 2009, Hembry's near-death experience helped spur lawmakers to pass Alabama's Move Over law. Alabama State Trooper Sergeant Steve Jarrett says the first ticket for failure to move over is $25 plus court costs. Second and third offenses increase from there.
You've got traffic passing at highway speeds just inches away from you. You've got motorists that are distracted, under the influence, simply just not paying attention. So it's a primary focus for us as far as our safety.
So we wanted to know how many drivers fail to abide by the law. We pointed our camera toward this patrol car, and within seconds, multiple vehicles did not move over.
One mistake, one miscue can cause a major crash.
Mistakes that will cost Hembry and Smith
Open your eyes. There you go.
for the rest of their lives.
There you go. Wave for your mom. There you go.
The Move Over law states that you must allow a lane for emergency crews, utility workers, and garbage collectors. If you cannot move over, you must slow down at least 15 miles per hour below the speed limit. I'm Jamie Langley, WIAT 42 News, coverage you can count on.